What's up, guys? JD here, back with another video, and we're gonna make this quick, professional, and to the point. So I've been trading for a while. I have a mentor who's in the industry for many years who's taught me a lot of great things, and he kind of explains it in a more complex way that newer people can't understand. And my plan is to basically break it down simple from step 1 to step 10 on how to get mastery at trading. So that's what I want to do today. But before we get into the actual price action and whatnot, I want to go over these terms and these certain behaviors and patterns that you have to accomplish when you're trading. So we have 3 cups here, right? We have one. This is like when you're starting out, you're gonna have these 3 cups. You're gonna have G for greed, you're gonna have H for hope, and you're gonna have F for fear. Okay, so when you start out, right, your hope is probably up here, right? Your hope is up here, and your greed is probably up here, and you're not that scared because you really haven't seen what the market could actually do, right? So your fear is down here. Okay, so as you're trading, your hope, you lose a couple times, your hope goes a little bit down, your greed goes a little bit down, right? And then your fear goes a little bit up. So now we're balanced on these 3 cups. And you're gonna stay here for a while because, as humans, you're not developed to deal with these kind of emotions. Really, like, people have problems with all of these emotions, and trading is gonna challenge you and change you and test all your implications, your patience, your fear, your greed, your hope, what you actually want. Your carnal desires are going to pop out. Everything that's wrong in your life, your everything, it's going to show you. It's going to reveal them to you. So once these cups are evened out and you actually start getting into the actual real trading, right, that you're taking it seriously, you're watching the charts, you're coming every day, you're actually with it, you're sticking to a strategy, you're not just coming on here and hoping, right, or being greedy and hoping, and then your fear is going to be up here because you're going to be losing if you're greedy and hoping, right? So you're a big mess. All of these cups are going to be full. So what cups do you actually need to feel? You need to feel discipline, right? That's an important cup to fill. You need to feel consistency, right? And you need to display confidence. So your fear has to turn into confidence. And how do you do that? You have to keep filling this confidence cup little by little, right? So you start with 1 contract, 2 contracts, 3 contracts, 4 contracts, 5 contracts. And not every day you're going to win. So sometimes you might pour out a little bit, but it'll come back with consistency, right? Consistency, come back every day. 1, 2. Consistency is the easy one, right? You can turn hope into consistency very easily, because if you just stop hoping and you actually stick to a strategy that's consistent, you're going to be consistent at that strategy. And over time, you're going to grow and grow and grow and grow. And finally, the hardest one is greediness. So all of us have a carnal desire. We want to make the 100K play. We want to make the 10K play every day. We want to make at least a band every day, right? But that greed, that's that greed, that carnal desire, you don't need that. Like, realistically, people work 12 hours for like $100, you know what I mean? Like $140, right? Minimum wage. But that's the point. If you make $200 and your account is $2,000, be happy with it. Go enjoy your day. Like, you're good, right? And that discipline has to build. Discipline is hard to build, but you need to be disciplined outside of trading for it to funnel into your trading. But once these 3 cups are filled up, right? Once these 3 cups are actually filled up, you're gonna move on to the next 3 cups, right? And those next 3 cups are going to help you to actually master the trading. And I just deleted a bunch of drawings. It's okay. This is what's actually going to help you master the trading and master yourself in general. Like, trading is going to make you such a better person just because of everything that you have to do to become the right person to trade. You know what I mean? So once those 3 cups are done, holy moly, it's a lot faster. Okay. Once those 3 cups are done, right, you're going to have these 3 cups. Now that's a little wonky ass cups, but whatever, circles. Okay, once you have those cups, then you got money, right? These are the good cups. Now this is like 3-4 years, 3 to 5 years of grinding. Now you're going to worry about these cups. Those other cups, those previous 3 cups, have to be filled first. So you're going to get money, you're going to get freedom, and you're going to get fulfillment finally, right? What's more important? Honestly, what's more important? These 3 are all important, to be honest, but if you have money filling up, you're going to have freedom filling up. And you have freedom filling up, you're going to have time to do those things that fulfill you. So it's all a loop. This cup pours into this cup, this cup pours into this cup. But to get to these cups, you got to pour out all the other cups, fill them up, and pour them all out. Okay, so that's how trading is. And it's going to marinate, and it's going to take time, and it's going to cause you to challenge yourself, and it's going to cause you to change, right? But change for the better, because you can't have a bad personality and be a trader, because it's always going to reveal to you your flaws and your demons. That's just how it works. But once you master that, you know, you get unlimited money. But wait, fuck the money. Like, honestly, fuck the money. You're gonna actually be fulfilled, which is what we want. We want to be fulfilled so we can chase our passion, right? Deeply inside, as humans, that's all we really want. And if you're not being fulfilled, if you're not the right person to be fulfilled, that's what trading is going to change. It's going to change what's wrong with you, and it's going to challenge you many times. So I just wanted that little lesson. I'll start with a little lesson like that every time. Little wisdom, you know, never hurts. So this is what we got pre-market, right? So this is before we wake up. This is before the market opens. So on a day-to-day basis, I would do this. Probably a 30-minute algo would already be here, but we have controlled selling, right? How did I get that? The angle, right? We know it. So this is controlled selling clearly. Okay, so if we have controlled selling, we know that the buyers are controlling the selling in here, right? To dig deeper to a lower level and grab the liquidity. So let's get some levels here just off of these candles right here in the red. So we're going to have a level here when this red candle stops. We're going to have a level here off this top wick, right? We're going to have a level here at the previous high. Boom. So we got 3 levels right there, easy, right? Right before the market opens. Even if you want this high right here, this could even be a level, just if you want to be precise, okay? So we got our levels in the morning. We got our controlled selling. We know the buyers have the liquidity here to break out, right? So what happens? Market open. Boom, we're chopping in here. Inside of the buyer liquidity, you don't take trades in here. You become liquidity, right? Very simple. Very, very like straightforward, not hard at all. So you wait till we break out, retest, become support, right? Protect. Very simple, right? Now, you can even wait for the cup to close, a handle, right? And you get in on the handle, right? Boom. Beautiful microstructure, left shoulder, right shoulder. And we have a support. Boom. What did that activate? That structure right there, a cup and handle, is always, or most of the time if it doesn't fail, going to activate buying continuation right here. Boom. Now, these angles, you got to learn them. You got to do it every day. You need to put time into it. But once you do, it's worth it. So we got buying continuation right there, right? Buyers attempted to push to the previous high. That's exactly what they did. Here's the high. Boom, rejected it. Right. Cup closed. Handle, right? That's what we want. And so once they actually, you say you missed a trade, right? Once they form the handle, what do we have to do? Very simple. They're building liquidity again. Top wick, liquidity build, this floating little candle, that's going to give you the bottom. So the bottom bullish candle, top bullish candle, gives you controlled selling. Anything in here, you don't take it. Broke below, got shorts trapped, broke above, got longs trapped, broke again, stopped out the longs, got people short again, and we finally had that breakout. Boom, retested it. Boom. Why do we have that breakout? Cup closed, handle, boom, became a support, right? So what did that do again? Cup and handle, activated buying continuation, right? Very simple. It's the same things over and over again. And it's patterns, pattern recognition, consistency, keep doing it, don't give up. Like, very simple, right? And okay, so we pushed up. Now we had a new high. So that high was probably from another day or whatever. And okay, so now we're at a new high. And what are they going to do again? Boom, build liquidity. Top wick, bottom wick, bullish wick, boom, right there. Beautiful. It's always to the penny. It's exactly. Now this, I'm drawing it randomly. I have a 30-minute chart that's more accurate. It has the bearish algos and stuff too. So we can draw out the bearish algos, but you get the concept, right? Controlled selling activates buying continuation after cups close. So wait for the cup to close, handle. Wait for the cup to close, handle. It's very simple. Rinse and repeat, okay? So that's buying continuation right there. That's pretty much what happened today. Now let's draw the bearish algos just in case, like, so you know where the resistances are, where you know how to protect. Now this is how you're gonna, know where your targets are and whatnot. In the 30-minute chart that I already have them all set up, before the day starts. But you can do this yourself right here. Before the market opens, top bearish candle, bottom bearish candle. There you go. You got your controlled algo. So you see here's resistance, tapped it again, resistance. So soaked it twice, closed the cup on the resistance and turned it to support, right? Very simple, right? Bearish algo, boom. So it's very straightforward. And every day you're going to see these same algos, and every day you can get better, and every day you can make money. There's not a day that you can't make money. So it's all about consistency, discipline, and, confidence when you actually trade. What is that going to lead to? It's going to give you money, it's going to give you fulfillment, and it's going to give you freedom because you're going to become a better person. So, and eventually you earn the grace of God with unlimited money and being a whole correct person. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed teaching more than trading on here. Let me know any recommendations you want. Maybe I can make these daily, maybe I can make these weekly. We'll see what we can do. So, but I just want to help people. So let me know if anything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.